See chapter 8 application of integrals in exercise 8.1. Okay, the first question, last chapter we see the integrals only. This chapter we discuss about the application of integrals. First question, find the area of the region bounded by the curve y square equal to x and the lines x equal to 1, x equal to 4 and the x-axis. X-axis means, this is the x-axis. X-axis means y equal to 0. Okay. The given curve is y square equal to x and the line x equal to 1, x equal to 4 and the x-axis. Now see the solution. The given curve y square equal to x is parabola. The given curve is parabola. That means y square equal to x. And the line x equal to 1, x equal to 4 and the x-axis, which is symmetrical about x-axis, which the given diagram is symmetrical about x-axis and passing through the origin. See the diagram. This is a y square equal to x, right open. Okay, this line is a x equal to 1, this line equal to x equal to 4. This is a x-axis y equal to 0. This is a closed region. Okay, we find out the shaded region. Okay, the limit is 1 to 4, x equal to 1, x equal to 4. This is a moving limit. Okay, x equal to 1, x equal to 4. The upper curve is y square equal to x. That means y equal to square root of x. Y equal to square root of x. The lower one equal to y equal to 0. Y equal to 0, x-axis. Okay. So area equal to integration of a to b modulus of y2 minus y1 into dx. The upper curve is a y2, the lower one is a y1. So y square equal to x, y square equal to x, y equal to square root of x. The upper one is a square root of x, the lower curve is the line y equal to 0. Modulus of square root of x minus 0. That means square root of x, limit 1 to 4, the limit 1 to 4 square root of x into dx, that is equal to integration of 1 to 4 x power 1 by 2 dx, that is equal to x power 1 by 2 integration x power 3 by 2 divided by 3 by 2. The limit 1 to 4 equal to 3 by 2 is to take the reciprocal 2 by 3 into x power 3 by 2, the limit equal to 1 to 4, that is equal to 2 by 3 into substituting the upper limit x equal to 4, 4 power 3 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 1 power 3 by 2, 1 power anything equal to 1. Okay, that is equal to 2 by 3 into 4 power 1 plus 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 into 1 equal to 2 by 3 into 4 power 1 by 2 minus 2 by 3 equal to 2 by 3 into 4 into square root of 4 minus 2 by 3. Square root of 4 equal to 2. 2 4s are 8. 8 into 2 divided by 3 minus 2 by 3 equal to 16 by 3 minus 2 by 3 equal to 16 minus 2 divided by 3, that is equal to 14 by 3. Therefore, area equal to 14 by 3 square unit. The shaded region area is 14 by 3 square unit. Thank you.